warm welcome to Body Pro Coach Nutrition. I am Praveen today, and we're going to show you today creamy shrimp soup. It's amazing, and actually when you take soup, so anything which is to do with the more of liquid, you get the macronutrients which are completely covered up. At the same time, you take comparatively less amount of calories. Let's go have a look at the recipe now.
Hi guys, we are doing a keto shrimp soup. Ingredients for the same: 2 tablespoons unsalted white butter. Then we have 2 small slices of spring onion. I have few small slices of asparagus. That's about 5 to 6 pears. I have chopped them into really fine small pieces. Then I have black pepper powder, Himalayan pink salt, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon garlic, about 4 to 5 mushrooms diced really small. Then I have some green spring onion, about 1 tablespoon, 5 to 6 basil leaves, and lastly some celery. Next we have is 70 grams of shrimp. I have chopped them into small pieces. Then we have Amul fresh cream. We're going to use 4 tablespoons of the same. Lastly, we have xanthan gum. We're going to use 1 tablespoon of the same. Hi guys, so today we are doing a keto shrimp soup. The ingredients for the same are: first, we have 2 tablespoons of unsalted white butter. Next I'm going to put is chopped ginger and garlic. To this I'm going to add few strands of my asparagus. Next I'm going to add is 2 slices of my spring onion. Then I'm going to add is mushroom and some salt pepper. Now we're going to cook it until it becomes slightly tender. To this I'm going to add half a cup water, and once the water comes to boil, I'm going to add my shrimp. So here I have 70 grams of shrimp. To this we're going to add 3 tablespoons of our fresh cream. And lastly, I'm going to go for my thickening agent. That's going to be xanthan gum. So that's 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum. So xanthan gum can vary from 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon depending on how thick you want. So I just want it semi-thick, so I'm adding 1 teaspoon of the same. If you add 1 tablespoon, it's going to be a little more thicker, like a sweet corn soup, what you usually get at restaurants. It's going to be something like that. And our creamy shrimp soup is almost ready. You're going to let it settle down on slow flame for 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes slightly thicker. Once your soup is done, it will look something like this, slightly thick. To that we're going to add our celery, spring onion and our basil. And our creamy shrimp soup is ready.
Alright, your shrimp soup is ready. This is literally amazing. You can see the portion. So this could be actually my meal. Now on the other hand, mushroom. We have used mushroom in this one, and mushroom is actually very high in selenium, which works as an anti-aging content. At the same time, it's a great antioxidant. And when you talk about shrimp, you guys know about it. This is high in protein, so it's actually a great meal when you're looking forward for a complete meal. Alright, you want to make sure that you subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Thank you so much.